everybody? Y'all know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we back at it again with another video. You know, back at it like an addict, no rehab. So we're about to take this Buick Rendezvous, the one that we picked up from the auction. You know, the loud one. About to take it to. Turn that music off before I get copyrighted. I mean, I ain't getting paid for none of these videos right now until I get my PIN number from Google anyway. But hey, yeah, we about to take this to the Muffler shop, man. Maybe they can fix it up and quiet this car down. You know, it's way too loud, man. You can't, y'all hear that? Ain't no way this Buick should be, ain't no way no Buick should be sounding like that. Y'all know Buick is them luxury cars, man. Buick should be sounding good, you know. So we about to take this loud thing to the Muffler shop, you know, or exhaust shop, whatever y'all want to call it. Some people call it a muffler shop. So we about to take it to the one. Y'all know where we about to go. And hopefully, you know, fix this and quiet this down, and then, you know, it's got 166 on the miles and runs, drives good. Then I'll take it to the detail shop, you know, get it all detailed and cleaned up, and then, you know, be ready for sale. Find me some hubcaps for it though. But yeah, let's get to it. See where we at. El Champion, man. Y'all hear it? Loud. Got those flow masters on there. What's going on, man? Not much. They said you the man to see. Raul said you the man to see. That's the man to see, man. Y'all come see him, man. He gonna get you taken care of. It's got flow masters on there. I'm just playing. Do not block the driveway. Putting it up on the lift. See if he can fix me up. See what size tires is this. 17, so I can give him some 17-inch hubcaps. Needs to be clean, very dirty. Got me parked over there. Let's see if he picks me up. See if he picks me up today. Y'all see it. That's the number if y'all need any work done. El Champion. Champion. Oh, Champion. All right. Champion. And yeah, hopefully we got all fixed up, you know. Hopefully we all quiet and smoothed out and ready to go. We all fixed up, man? Quiet? It's quiet? Okay, man, we're gonna see. We're gonna see, man. If not, I gotta dock your pay next time, man. Gotta get a discount or something. I get a better deal. I get a better deal next time? In the next time? If I keep coming, I get a better deal?
Because you're coming with Lucky.
With Lucky? All right,
I'll give you a good price.
Give you a good price because of Lucky? Okay, shout out, thank you.
Say hi, Lucky.
I will.
Bye-bye.
Y'all see it, start it up. Y'all see it, you come here, you know, he gave me a good deal because of Lucky. You know, it's quiet, way quieter than what it was. You know, after it runs a little bit, it'll settle in, it'll be ready. But you know, it's way quieter than what it was. Now, let me show you how to see it. Way quieter than what it was. We're about to take it to the detail shop. Drop it off at the detail shop, get these seats clean, get it all cleaned up. You know, have them clean all this, clean this. We're gonna go get some hubcaps for it. We're gonna be good to go. So. Oh yeah, it's way quiet now. This thing ready for sale after this detail. 2006 Buick, 166,000 miles, heat, AC. Put this fresh detail on this. Y'all know where we can head off to the detail shop. Get it cleaned up, and they just called me and said the title's in, so I just picked up the title. So this thing is already ready. I'm gonna take it to the detail shop, have them clean it up. Then after it come from the detail shop, go put the oil change on it. You know, top off all the fluids, make sure everything is good, and then we're gonna put it out there for sale. So I'm gonna show y'all again where the detail shop is. If y'all here in Oklahoma and want a car clean, fully detailed, you know, I'll show y'all exactly where it's at. So we'll show y'all one more time. So we'll show y'all. Let's get to it. Let's go. Y'all see where we at? Got it there. It's already pretty clean on the outside, but you know, it's gonna look even better, you know. Y'all see, we at the detail shop, man. You see how they get down? They get the cars out there clean, you know, clean. No, I see that door panel clean. They get them washed up and clean, you know. So they keep them clean. They get down to there, man. They don't waste no time. Let me go see if my guy's in here. What's up, man?
Right door.
Here, I'll drop another one off for you, man.
Okay.
You got me? You got my number, don't you?
Okay.
You got my number, don't you? Okay. Got you.
Okay, see you.
See you. Well. See, just like that. Just walk in, dropping the keys. You got your number. They get it taken care of. You know, 24-hour turnaround. You know, it'll be ready tomorrow. So about done for the day. So closing up tomorrow. He'll have it ready for me about 10, 11 tomorrow. Ready, and I'll come pick it up, and then I'll take some pictures of it, and then I'll go change the oil, take some pictures, and be ready to go. But I appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm out. Peace.